Hello and welcome to another video. Now, throughout northern and northeastern Europe, herring is a really important fish. It's plentiful in the Baltic Sea, and Baltic herring in particular is used in a wide variety of foods across, for example, Sweden, Finland, the Baltics, Poland, that sort of area, including northern Germany. Baltic herring, by the way, is the principal ingredient in surströmming, and it has something to do with the fact that the Baltic Sea has a lower salinity than, for example, the ocean. So today we're going to go ahead and make a Lithuanian herring salad that's typically eaten in December. It's December now, but I guess I'll have this video out in January. This salad is a layered salad. The name is Silkė Patalousa. It means herring in bedding, and basically it's a layered salad with various different layers with different flavors and different colors with the herring in the middle. So from here on we'll go and talk about ingredients. Now, with my home pickled herring, it's a little bit strong, so I cut down the herring a little bit. I'm using one large fillet. This is about 50 grams. You could use, if you're buying herring at the store, maybe 100 grams. I have some pickled beets. I'll probably use like 3 small pickled beets, or maybe 4. A small onion. This is about 50 grams. And then I have the rest of the salad layers. I have potatoes, I have carrots, and I have boiled eggs. And finally I have some mayonnaise to sort of tie it all together. So this is fairly simple to make. This isn't going to take us very long. And I'm going to do it today in a bowl and flip it upside down. But because I'm worried about stuff sticking to the bottom of the bowl, I'm going to cover the inside of the bowl with plastic wrap. And then just peel the plastic wrap off after it's all shaped. So let's go ahead and get started. Now, due to the fact that we have the beets which stain, and the fact that we have the herring that can have a strong smell, I've gone ahead and decided to put all of this on a plastic cutting board here. So I'm just going to go ahead and chop this into pieces, and when I come back I'll be ready to mix this side with mayonnaise and put it in a bowl. So the order here is potatoes, eggs, herring, onions, carrots, beets. Each layer will get mixed with mayonnaise a little bit, just a little bit of mayonnaise to just kind of mix it up a little bit, and then we'll put some of this in, and then we'll do the same thing with the carrots, and then then we'll go from there. I've cleaned up some things a bit after the beets, and next I'm going to cut the carrots. These carrots have already been boiled and cooled, and this is about 1 carrot here. So when I'm back, we'll go ahead and get this in. Next we'll do the same thing with this small onion. Going to finely dice it, mix it with a little bit of mayonnaise and put it next, and then we'll do the herring, then eggs and potatoes. So I'll be back when I finally diced this and put it in. Now we do the fish. And again, we want to cut everything into fairly small pieces. So I usually go once lengthwise and then a bunch of pieces crosswise. And I'll be back when this is in. So I have now spread the fish out. Now we'll chop the eggs. I think I'm going to use 2 eggs here. So chopping them up, putting them with mayonnaise, and putting them in, and then I will be right back. And now we're going to do the same thing with the potato. Again, cutting it into small pieces, mixing with a little mayonnaise, and putting it on top. And then I'll be back to do the final step. Okay, so I flipped this upside down, removed it from the bowl, took the plastic wrap off, and I now have this beautiful layered salad. We can see the beets, the carrots, the onions, the herring, all of the layers we can see quite nicely. So next I'm going to top it with some freshly chopped dill, and then I'm going to be ready for the taste test. So I put some parsley on the top, and now I'm going to put some dill both on the salad and around on the plates as a little bit of a decoration. The dill, of course, also is a very nice flavor to go with the herring, and so it's a very nice additional piece here. And so here we have the Silkė Patalousa, and now we're ready for the taste test. And now for the taste test. Just going to take a little bit of this here, make sure I get all the layers, scoop it onto my plate. I think this is going to be delicious. Make sure I have a nice piece of herring, the rest of it. This is really, really nice. The pickled herring is toned down by everything else. The pickled beets give a nice little bit of sourness. The cooked carrots, potatoes and eggs round it all out, and the dill just kind of adds a really nice finish. This is delicious. Even the onions just kind of blend into the wider flavor here. Definitely delicious. Anyway, Achille boy, thank you for watching very much. And if you find this content interesting, I hope I've earned a subscription, a like, and a comment from you. On top of that, I want to hope that you enjoy making this as much as I do, and that you enjoy eating it as much as I do. Any rate, bon appetit, and see you next week.